Hey, what's up? I'm Mike Meyer, and I'm going to talk to you today about our 9-inch housing option for the Speedway Engineering housing, Gear Effects third member, Dutchman axles. This combination of parts is going to give you the performance you're hoping for, you're looking for, you deserve with your old school classic pony. This Speedway housing is built to our specs. We've been working with them for a long time. They supply a lot of NASCAR. So they know how to make a housing quality in a 9-inch application. They come with billet hub ends, which are beautiful, really accept bearings and seals nicely. No longer do you use the T-bolts on the hubs, so it makes for really clean, easy application of your hub ends. The breathers are baffled. The housings come with the option of being plumbed for you. The inside of these axle housings are baffled, so it makes it much harder for oil to splash out of the hub ends, which would potentially starve your gear set of oil. We also use a Gear Effects third member. Gear Effects, the guys there have been making housings for years and years. Really proud to be able to use their product. It's quality stuff. You have the option of having REM coated gears. The housings can be the gear sets can be dyno tested before you get them. Come with 1350 U-joints. We can get them with true tracks, lockers, different gear ratios. This is a really, really great option for you because you're putting a third member in that you know is set up and done right. It's the worst thing in the world is getting the car all put together and you hear a howl in your diff after a month of driving it. Running a Dutchman axle, something that's really beefy like this, really helps to keep that axle hub flex down, which can make a really bad brake pedal. It makes it when that axle flexes around, knocks back your pads. We're really proud to offer this third member housing and axle combination to you. It's something we've grown into over the years, and we've realized that it's really important to get the good stuff the first time so you don't find out what you should have got later. Check us out at MikeMeyerInc.com. You look at us up on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You'll find us using our own product and learning about it and then offering it to guys like you because we believe in it. So Mike Meyer Inc. supplies the good stuff. Take a look. Thanks a bunch.